Cat's high in catnip. I love it. And Oliver actually never comes inside the lanai, so this is new. Came running in once I brought the little catnip out. He's addicted. Don't do drugs, kids. This is what you can look like. Rolling all over the floor, licking stuff, things you shouldn't be, you know, covered in things. All dirty, like this one. You can't really see it, but he's all dirty, covered in catnip. This could be your life on drugs. This one's freaking out over nothing. Meow. Little friends. Oh, maybe he's just realizing that he's trapped now. Okay. Do anything fun? Oh, good. Now he's freaking out.